Well, that's interesting. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. It's a Fortek 9. So today we got the UDIRC 1610S, and this thing is crazy. So the past year or so, a lot of companies have been coming out with small cars that go really fast. Arma just released the Mini Kraton. They got the Groms. Recently we reviewed this guy. This is the DRC one. This goes 50 miles an hour. Now this guy supposedly goes 56 miles an hour. For a small car, that is quick. So it comes in 3 colors. You got the red one, then you got the black, and then it comes in blue. All right, so here's everything that you get in the box. You got your remote, manuals, stickers. You do get taillights and headlights that you got to put on yourself. You got spare parts, tools, and also more tools. And let me tell you, this thing feels pretty heavy. It feels solid, so pretty nice that they included these guys. Look at this thing. This thing looks sick, all blacked out. You even got some guys inside there. Open window. All right, let's put some stickers on. All right, there we go. We got some stickers on. Honestly, I don't like putting too much stickers. I like it when the truck looks clean. And yeah, that looks beautiful. So this thing is 4-wheel drive, brushless motor. You got a big fan on the motor. You got a fan on the speed control. We're going to be running 3S. Comes with metal gears, oil-filled shocks. The shocks feel very good on it. This thing does not feel cheap. Feels very well built. Very soft tires. I like that. So we're probably going to be getting a lot of grip. Okay, we're going to go ahead and attach the little GPS and do a little speed run. Kind of hard to keep it down. Woo. Oh, shoot. Man, the brakes are so sensitive. You know, there's 2 good things about it. It's fast and it stops fast. All right, let's see how much we hit. What the heck? Huh. Well, that's interesting. I think this might be the fastest car in the world, guys. Okay, let's do that again. Honestly, I don't know what happened, why it glitched out, but apparently we're the fastest RC car now in the world. But let's do, I guess, a second run. Let's see, maybe this time it'll show the right speed. 51. So not quite 56, but we did hit 51. I did wheelie down here, so I'll try to see if we could hit maybe 52. Come on, let's do 52. 52, so we did hit 52. So I'm sure you could go a little bit faster. So far, this is probably the fastest little car I've tested. So that's pretty impressive. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's go hit the skate park. The nice thing about this thing is I could turn down the throttle. So if you buy this for your kids, you could turn it down so they learn how to drive slow, then, you know, faster and faster and faster. So we'll turn it down to 25% over here. So we got it at 25. And right there, that's like perfect for kids. Let's go 50. Alright, 50 is like perfect. Oh. Nice. Oh, the body came off. Well, it looks like we tried to do some backflips and the glue came off. It's still holding on, luckily. Okay, so we're gonna have to keep it down a little bit. Dude, look at that landing, perfect. Before we break it, I do want to send it on the death ramp. We sent the X-Max here, we sent the XRT, and you get some pretty big air. The only problem is you land on the concrete, so with this guy I'm going to try to catch it, because I do like this car. I don't want to break it yet, so I'll try my best catching it, but because I have one eye, I can't catch good, so I probably will miss. So it looks like we bent this guy a little bit. Oh, look, beautiful. We bent it back. Almost caught it. I don't know why. It seems like the battery cuts out mid-air, so I don't know what happened. But yeah, I think we got some pretty good air on this thing. I thought we'd go a little bit higher, but still not too bad. Yeah, it looked like I probably cut my finger a little bit because I tried to catch that, didn't want to break the car. The first time we landed on the ground, it was pretty hard, but the car is still pretty good, so it's not bad, guys. This car so far is pretty beastie. So let's see what the ramp destroyed. So far, got a little bumper. I think that's about it. I think we just broke this little plastic bumper piece. Look at that, guys. Alive. This is probably the least damage we took from the ramp. I think from landing kind of hard, you might have bent the rods. Keeps kind of getting stuck, but so far this thing's fun in the skate park. That's a loud flap. Ooh. Oh, that's a loud flap. Oh, almost land. There's some crazy stuff. That was cool. All right, guys, I'm actually really impressed with this thing. This thing, we hit that ramp 3 times. 3 times it fell down pretty hard. We only broke the front grille. The battery holder we broke earlier. And that's about it. This thing still runs solid. And I mean, it's fast. It's a fun little stunt truck. And I like the fact that you could control the power so you could turn it down for the kids. If you guys want, I'll have a link down below. You guys go check it out, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.